beautiful. You might feel disembodied, boundless, spinning helplessly through space and free.
That's me, the one you see awakened in dreams. Saint a sinner, the message is embedded in the mixture. Ugly as they might come, raised from the dirt and scum and programmed to be no one.
That's me, straight up out my tree and out my shit. In the alley with a guy looking to bash your head with it. Watch the blood drain out your skull onto the ground and take it to my grave where you will never be found.
That's me, not giving a fuck again. Unstoppable and crazy, I don't have to pretend. Not Rocky, but I'm sure to rock your skull. Drink sake when I'm smoking monkey paw.
That's me, kids call me Cousin Louie, cause my slugger rides by my side on the daily. It talks to me, it tells me who to ride on. We are a team and it's your life we decide on. Come on.
You think you know me and my juggalo sound?
Talk loaded. Who that is? That's me. Who that is? That's me. Who that is? That's me. Who that is? That's me.
Yeah, in the end, they all wanna be down.
Talk loaded. Who that is? That's me. 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 Standing in the blood of the blood, smoking a fat ass blunt, cutting it up like wood. Feeling really lonely and all my homies are dead. At least it's what the voices in my head just said. Hey, that's me all up in your mouth, don't get it punched. Knock knock, now your lips all fucked up. When I stop, my rims stop too. Then I peel back out on your face, you motherfucker. You me crazy and I'm fucked up bad. I got a hostage and the cops are just making me mad. Negotiations fell through, watch it on the news because I shot that motherfucker right in plain view. That's me, what bitch, you got something to say? While my knuckles always got your teeth prints all up in them. Ooh, I skin them while your face so rough. Little duct tape on the fingers in the back, the fuck up.
You think you know me and my juggalo sound?
Talk loaded. Who that is? That's me. Who that is? That's me. Who that is? That's me. Who that is? That's me.
Yeah, in the end, they all wanna be down.
Talk loaded. Who that is? That's me. Who that is? That's me. Who that is? That's me. Who that is? That's me.
That's me right behind you, mad as hell, no flaring. Making all them strange sounds in your face staring. Knocking over trash cans, breaking 40 bottles. Killing from the streets, I'm a killer role model.
That's me in a clown wig, swinging a machete. Big blood in my chest to bring the party like confetti. That's me spitting wicked shit, fuck hardcore. I throw knives in the crowd and have 'em running for the door.
That's me, that's right, you should've known a little better. I be squashing motherfuckers for whatever, whenever. Sprinkle dust from the dead inside your favorite drink. Just sit back and laugh and watch that fat ass head shrink.
That's me, the virgin pussy popper, neck chopper, swinging blades like a helicopter murderer lover. That's me, and notice, I die for the lotus. Like a kamikaze, I hit the vocal booth and blow this.
Think you know me and my juggalo sound?
Talk loaded. Who that is? That's me. Who that is? That's me. Who that is? That's me. Who that is? That's me.
Yeah, in the end, they all wanna be down.
Talk loaded. Who that is? That's me. 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 That shit blowing there. What's up? I seen that little punk in the dog. Fuck all that. Look at that ass. Fucking with me. First off, I don't know none of these fools, especially Craig. They say he's back from school. I just heard the beat. It sounded sweet. I was out garbage picking across the street and said fuck it. Walked in and started chugging. Got a little saucy now. I'm mean mugging everybody.
Friend of Craig's, I guess.
I'm pissing in the bedroom. I blew out this. Goosing bitches, shoving my way through.
Hey man, cool out, hey man, fuck
You bumped into the DJ shit. His record skipped, now he's starting to trip. I ignored his yelling and kept cutting the rug. College boys surrounded me. Let's get this straight. Took 2 out, but went home bruised and bloody. But that's a regular thing at a danger party. Danger party. Danger, danger. Danger party. Danger, danger. Danger party.
So fuck it, I don't give a fuck.
I'm having fun. Danger party.
So fuck it, I don't give a fuck.
I'm having fun.
Yeah, man. I think I experienced some shit like that in my long, drugged out ass life, you know what I mean? But I'm gonna tell you how it was, one night I was hanging out, man, look, check it.